Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's code करे बिना डरे. So guys, I am Sanskruti Panda and I am here with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Microsoft AI Classroom series. From the name itself, you can know that this course is provided by Microsoft, and it is a very crucial course. And it doesn't matter your profession, like you may be a student, you may be one employee, you may be one job seeker. All you guys can go for this course, and you guys will get to know various things about artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning and all. So guys, be with me till the end of this video, and I am going to discuss all the points of this course, like how this course works, what content are you guys going to deliver in this course, and what is the prerequisite for this course, what assignment you need to do for this and all. So guys, let me tell you about my YouTube channel, Let's Code. So in this channel we are uploading various videos on different courses, different internships, different quizzes and different job opportunities. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit this bell icon so that you will be updated with all the further notifications. So guys, let's go to our course. And as I have told you guys that Microsoft has announced that it is going to teach over 1 million students in free of cost. So here it has announced the first course, that is on AI Classroom series, and in this way it is going to announce various courses. So please do subscribe to our channel so that we will be uploading many videos on different courses provided by Microsoft, and you guys will be updated with all the information that it is required. So guys, after the completion of this course, you will be provided with one participation certificate that is from Microsoft, and you will be able to boost your knowledge on AI. It doesn't matter which background you guys belong to. If you guys have interest on AI, you can do this course and you guys can get the certificate. So guys, here you can see that this course will from September 21 to September 26, and here you can see the timing for these courses, all the modules. Here it is given all the information about this. And let me start from the starting, and here you can see that this course is provided by Microsoft and in association with NASSCOM Future Skills, and it is supported by GitHub. And here it has written that this online classes will be delivered through multiple sessions and no cost to the students. So it is the best part about this course, that you guys don't have to pay anything for this course, and you guys can do this course in free of cost. So how it works, here you can see that first of all you have to attend the AI Classroom series, and you can click here so that you guys can know some further details about it, and the link will be provided to you. You have to just click on that link, and you have to go through all the videos, and after that you have to take some online assessment. After watching the video, some online assignment and some assessment will be given to you, and what you have to do is you have to answer to all of the questions, and after that you can update your Azure skills and your AI skills on various social media. And the session speakers, the details about the session speakers is given over here. You can see that all the speakers are very well known and very educated. They are the founders and co-founders of Microsoft and various well-known institution and various well-known companies. And also some of the CEOs of different companies are going to teach you over here. So you guys will be under some good and well educated teachers. And after that, here you can see about this program. And this as I have already told that it is in association with NASSCOM Future Skills and supported by GitHub, and it will train 1 million students over 12 months. And this series is divided into 3 modules, and each session is divided into 2.5 hours each, and it will include some live demos, some hands-on experiment, and some post-session assignment, so that it can boost your knowledge. And all the session will be introduced by some leading data science and AI influencer, so that it will be very easier for you guys to get to grab all the contents. And the most important part that it is online and no cost, and you guys will be provided the AI recognition, AI certification. And here you can see that the students of various Indian universities and the resident of India can apply for this course. And I don't know about the students outside India. Please go through the information and please contact the authorities so that you can get the information about this if you are not from India. So let's go to assessment and certification. After the completion of the workshop, you students will be provided with the link for the assessment, and so you have to appear that assessment so that you will be provided with the participation certificate. So the assessment will consist of 30 questions, and you will be provided 20 minutes to appear all those questions. And if you are unable to solve the assessment within one attempt, then you will get 3 attempts to clear this assessment. And the assessment will be live in between September 28 to October 10, and you have to score 80% or more to pass the assessment. And the certificate will be offered by Microsoft and NASSCOM Future Skills. And you can share your certificate on social media. You have to share your certificate, and please tag here you can see the hashtag always learning. You can use this hashtag while uploading your certificate in your social medias. And coming towards the prerequisite, here you can see that all the prerequisite that is required for this course is provided over here, and you can go through this all this, and if you are lacking behind, then you guys can update yourself. So guys, let's go to here. And here you can see that all the details like September 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26, all the all days module are given over here. And here I have already told that the session will be divided into 2.5 hour session. So the timings are given over here. You can choose any of this timing. Suppose I am comfortable with the session of 2 to 4:30 p.m. and you can choose any of the session, and you have to register for each of the session. Like for 21 September I want to register for this session. Then let me open up this page. So here you can see that I have opened that page, and here the modules outlines are given over here. Some pre-read material are given over here. You can it is totally free. You can click on this link and you can read. We can go through all the pre-read material so that it will be easier for you guys to grab all the content that is taught over the course. And here you can know more details about this course. And to register for this particular session, you have to just fill off this details, and after giving all the details, you have to click on here, that is register now. And after registering for this course, you guys will be provided one email before the course, and the link of the classes will be provided in your email, and the classes will be active before the 15 minutes of its start. So you guys can join the classes and can know various things about this. So that's all. To enroll for each of the modules, you guys have to enroll individually by clicking on this link. So yeah, that was all for this courses. And yeah, Microsoft is going to launch many of the courses for the readers, for the students, as Microsoft is preparing the students of today so that they can become the leader of tomorrow. So thank you so much guys for listening, and if you like this course, then please do like this video and share this video with your friends. Let them know that Microsoft is providing this course and that there is a big opportunity you can grab. And please do subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.